Hello? 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 I'm trying to figure this out right now. Can people hear me? Kind of have no idea what I'm doing here. Can people hear me? No, you can't hear me. Perfect. Yeah, we do. Awesome, you guys can hear me. Let's get it. Alright, I'm gonna try to title this video or this live stream something other than Mickle Markets live stream. How about XRP Watch Party? That sounds better. And let me just throw this, give this a description so people can find it, and then we'll get into the chart a little bit, and I'll just have you guys ask some questions. I kind of don't really have anything specific to talk about. I kind of just wanted to test this out, see how it worked. Seems pretty cool. Wasn't too hard to set up, so that's dope. Let me hit the tags. All right. We got 26 people online. Let's get it. Alright, seems like everything's updated. So, yeah, I thought I'd go live for the first time today because, as you guys probably know, we had a daily candle close above this resistance right here. That was super exciting, and the last time we saw a breakout like this, we saw the price get very parabolic. There were some pretty insane gains to be had. It was super exciting. Last time we rallied around 228%. I would expect the rally to be much larger this time, just based on the fact that the last time this pattern played out, it was only about 170 days. This time we're looking at around 241 days. So we can definitely expect the price to get more parabolic. If we were to see a similar increase, we'd be about at all-time highs, and if we were to see something that was more explosive, we could potentially start pushing up to around the $10 range, which I think is somewhere we're bound to end up at some point. Yeah, let's see if I got any questions right now. Your TA is amazing, made me not give up on XRP. Good, I'm glad. That's kind of the purpose of why I get in the TA. The reason is like I'm really a fundamental investor, but you need to focus on the TA to a certain degree. If you just sit around and ignore TA, then you'll eventually get washed out by boring price action. But if you know what's happening, then you can hold strong. You can feel confident in what you got. So yeah, definitely critical. Let's see what else we got. Here in the USA, how do you even sell XRP for gains? I use an app called Uphold. I would take a look at that. Uphold is a pretty good way to buy and sell crypto. I really like the app. Pretty solid. Yeah, Uphold. Where can I buy XRP in the United States? Yeah, definitely look at Uphold, guys. Uphold is solid, pretty reliable. I haven't had any problems with them. So, yeah, look at Uphold. XRP guy. Thank you for, Jay. Thank you that I'm one of your favorite XRP guys. It's been really exciting how fast this channel's got traction. You guys have been absolutely awesome. You guys have been blowing up this channel. It's super cool. And so guys, thank you so much for liking all my videos. I love making these videos for you guys. It's comments like the ones I talked about earlier that someone said I helped them not lose faith in XRP. That's exactly what I want to do. I study this stuff all the time. I want to give you guys the information, break it down nice and easy so you guys have as much confidence I have. I invest all over this I invest all over the crypto market, but I mean, for me, XRP is like a no-brainer. Price predictions for the end of this year. So I know a lot of you probably, a lot of YouTubers always talk about the 4-year cycle. I do expect I do expect us to have some kind of breakout and then drop back down, but I don't know if we're going to still be following these 4-year cycles anymore. There's a ton of utility coming into this market. That's kind of all up for grabs. It's hard for me to say for sure, but I've been pretty clear. I think within the next 6 months, I think we'll be very close to $10. I think we're already very close to hitting a new all-time high. When XRP moves, it moves very fast. Predicting exactly where it's going to go is very hard with it until we start seeing how this plays out. But yeah, I would say anywhere between around $10 I think is extremely safe bet. I think the real wild card is if we don't do these 4-year cycles and things just keep running. I mean, I do think XRP will have $1 trillion market cap one day, so $20 to $30, but I can't put a time frame on that. I think as soon as this SEC lawsuit's over, we see $10 XRP very easily. And one of the biggest reasons I say this is just because if we look at the Ethereum chart, I mean, Ethereum is over 232% past its all-time highs. Like, XRP is just as valuable as Ethereum will be. They serve very different use cases, but if XRP was to rally the same amount as Ethereum has rallied past its all-time high, I mean, you're looking at solidly above $10 XRP. So I think $10 XRP is actually a lot safer than a lot of people think. A lot of people put that as their high-end target, but I'm very confident we're going to see that at one point or another. It just depends on how fast this starts running, how parabolic it gets, how much good news flows in. We're still obviously being held down by the SEC, but yeah, as soon as that's over, I think you guys are going to be blown away by how explosive this market's going to get. Let's see what else we got in here. Hashgraph. Yes, I do love Hashgraph. That's one of my favorite holds. Hedera is a really cool project. I think it's probably undervalued in this market. It's really just an institutional version of what Ethereum is. Yeah, I actually got into HBAR more recently, but yeah, it's a dope project. What are my thoughts on Ripple Swell? That's a great question. Yeah, I think Ripple Swell is going to be extremely interesting. What I was really hoping for, and this was just speculation, but I thought it would be really cool if we had a settlement before Ripple Swell, so they could really drop some bombs at Ripple Swell and didn't have to be sensitive or be careful about what they were talking about. They could kind of just let some partners rip and give the SEC the middle finger. But yeah, I don't have anything massive. I hope they talk about some new corridors, something big comes out. I know, if you guys know Short the FOMO, he does the website 3XRP Dev. He said something about India being live, or ODL being live in India. This would be a really cool announcement. But yeah, hopefully just stuff about ODL. Kind of hard to predict what they're going to announce. But one thing I do want to say is they've been dropping bombs before before Swell was announced. So I have a feeling that if that was really all the good news, they would have saved it for Swell. So I think they're going to have some special events for when Swell comes around. I don't want to speculate that on that too much, just because they could announce anything. If I knew, that'd probably be a problem for Ripple. Brazil also been live on ODL. Yeah, I agree with you. I think Brazil is probably the next domino to fall. I have a feeling the only reason there hasn't been any announcements in terms of that is just because the U.S. is trying to figure out how to regulate this space. A lot of people see what the SEC did and see there obviously was a lot of corruption and stuff like that. But regardless, it's bringing clarity to the market. Things are going to be better once it ends. It's not fun to be in it right now, but we will be rewarded for being in early, guys. That's the most important thing to understand. We will be rewarded for getting in early. I know it sucks being an XRP with this SEC lawsuit going on, but yeah, I actually told a story on one of my videos, and it didn't get that many views, so I guess I'll just tell you guys right now. I was actually, one of my first big investments was actually in, oh my god, in Tesla, and funny enough, it was actually when Tesla was getting sued by the SEC back here, and everyone was calling Elon Musk a fraudster, whatever. And yeah, it ended up being that Tesla wasn't a fraud, and those who understood the technology during this time frame from around 2019 to 2020 were massively rewarded with an insanely parabolic pump. And you can just see how insane it is just to drag through this chart when you're looking at on a smaller time scale. But I do see a lot of comparisons from with what I saw in Tesla with XRP. It's really a really smart community. A lot of investors focused on tech, not focused on the short-term gains or whatever. And it seems like we understand things a lot better than other people in the community. So yeah, I'm really excited. I made a ton of money on Tesla. I think I'll make a ton of money on XRP too. So it's definitely, I mean, the reason why I talk about XRP so much is because it's by far my highest confidence project. Like, it just happens that you guys all love it too. So kind of perfect scenario. Dirty Gary is a lizard. Yeah, I agree. I was, I don't know if you guys remember when Gary was first getting appointed, and everyone was like super, super hopeful that he was going to be some like savior to crypto. Like, yeah, this dude seems like a lizard. I'm not gonna lie, he does not seem like a guy who's gonna be doing anyone any favors. But guys, at the end of the day, we do realize that Gary doesn't have, like, it's gonna come to Congress. There's gonna be a whole bunch of different regulators involved. It's Gary's not gonna have the final say. I think he's gonna try to get the final say, but he won't. Mickle, are you sipping on anything tonight? Oh, Eric, me and my boys, I live in Connecticut. Me and my boys hit the casino last night, and we sent it pretty hard, so I'm taking a break tonight. We had a lot of fun last night, though. I sipped on enough stuff last night. Gary, want a slice of cake, too? Yeah, I agree. Nice haircut. Thank you. Thank you. I take my time with the haircuts because I need to accumulate as much XRP as I can, but once in a while, my girlfriend was coming back, so I had to look good for her. Hello, Moonvember. Yeah, November's looking good, boys. It's yeah, XRP. The funny thing about XRP is it grinds sideways forever, and then we just get these crazy moves. Like, look at this. Like, what other chart does this? And it does it again. Like, that's why I always tell people, like, I see people comment on my videos and they're like, I'm going to wait for XRP to start moving. And then I was like, all right, you can wait for it to start moving, but like you're going to miss it. You're going to be buying it for 50% more than we've all been accumulating it. So, yeah, I would say XRP is one of those. That's why you need to understand it. If you understand it, you'll feel confident accumulating at these low levels, and that's when you get the massive gains. That's where the real legends are made. No one's getting rich off XRP buying it off a 300% pump. The legends buy it when everyone's scared of it, and then we sell and everyone calls us lucky. But guys, there's going to be a point where that guy in crypto who trashes that from home or whatever, who is scared of XRP and calls it a whatever coin, is going to come and tell you, oh, XRP is the next best thing at $10. Like, I promise you that will happen. You'll be like, yeah, I know. I was trying to get you to buy it at $1. Why did we stop moving up? KSN. Dude, we just gotta take some time. Like, things won't happen overnight. We're looking beautiful on this chart. Yeah, let's see what happens tonight. I swear XRP always pumps at night. We got some big events coming up. Yeah, exactly, be patient, guys. I mean, like, this is looking absolutely beautiful. We are looking very good. we can't expect miracles, but guys, what we do know is history tells us that when XRP moves, it moves fast. XRP is undervalued in the market. We are going to catch up at some point. We're going to be looking good. Exit strategy. Okay, I haven't really talked about this much because, yeah, we kind of have to get some good gains before we talk about exiting. You know, there hasn't been much to exit yet. I'll just give you guys a quick little. If you're young, like if you think like you're probably close to my age, then I just want to tell you, don't sell all your crypto. Sell whatever you think is appropriate, but you don't want to be selling all of it. I would say you want to sell whatever you feel makes you comfortable. If you want to like buy something, you have something super cool you've been wanting to get, like reward yourself, go cop it. But like, me personally, I'm looking to maybe sell 10 or 20% at around $10, probably more like 10%. Guys, I really like selling XRP. I think would like hurt me a little bit. Like I'm sell a little bit, maybe I'll buy something cool. Buy something for my girlfriend, maybe do something cool, but other than that, guys, like yeah, XRP is just one of those I'd really want to hold. Like I have other coins in my portfolio that I'd probably dump when they hit certain prices, but for me, like I don't want to sit here I don't know, 5 years from now and think, oh, I sold this many XRP for like $10 and sitting there looking at $150 XRP. And I know a lot of people think that's crazy talk, guys. People will tell you things are crazy talk when you're bullish. That's just how it works. I mean, I remember when I was buying Tesla back here at $50, and I was saying, "Oh, Tesla's going to $500," and people are like, "That's stupid. You can't say things like that. Tesla's never going to $500. That's just moon boy talk." And then you look at it now, and it's like, geez, like it's actually like a conservative argument. Yeah, that's the biggest thing, guys. Like, don't let people tell you like you need to understand, like, if someone's telling you that where you want $100 tomorrow, yeah, that's not gonna happen. But if you to say anything 5 to 10 years from now, people have no idea what this market is gonna be. It could be anything. So I do think we will see $100. When that happens, I don't know. For near term, I think $10 is very fair. And what's your time zone? Eastern. I'm on the East Coast. Alaska time zone. Damn, I've never been to Alaska, but I do want to go. Congress and the SEC corruption, one and the same. They're in the club. We ain't. Oh wow, Phil, that's a great message right there. I have to say, I don't think Congress does have its corrupt individuals. I'm not going to get into people or whatever. I think they're mostly just dumb and focus on the wrong things other than corruption. I mean, you see the things they fight about, and you're like, come on, is this really what our leaders are doing right now? The SEC definitely has a bunch of corruption going on. I don't necessarily think Gary is that corrupt. He just seems more like he wants to make everything a security, which we obviously don't want. But yeah, William Hinman and Jay Clayton had some big corruption going on. Gary just seems like a lizard, but he hasn't really done anything. You guys have to understand that he didn't start the lawsuit with XRP. He might have told Jay Clayton to drop it, but at the end of the day, it is kind of funny. I think it looks like if Gary's dropping all these lawsuits too on Uniswap, I think he would have sued Ripple and XRP anyway. So maybe Jay Clayton just got it done a little earlier. Sologenic will moon before XRP get in before the airdrop. Yeah, guys, I did a video on the Sologenic decentralized exchange. Good comparison is I copped some. I was one of the first users of Uniswap back in the day, and I got some free uni for that, and it absolutely mooned. Sologenic's actually a really cool project, and they have some great stuff going on. So if you are capable of getting that airdrop, I would say, yeah, figure it out. What's his name? Flare Community did a video on how to accumulate it. I would recommend looking into that. He can help you out a lot. Super helpful. You made your bed, my guy. Yeah, guys, I always make these videos. I swear, like, I make my bed, and I always make these videos after, like, a nap or something, and just completely forget to make my bed. But the comments are so funny. Oh my god, I read through them sometimes. One of the funniest ones is I changed, like, the banner on my channel, and someone said you should have changed your banner to an unmade bed. I actually lost it. I was laughing so hard at whoever said that. That was hilarious. What do you need to qualify for Sologenic? You just have to hold XRP. Look at Flare Community's channel. He'll tell you exactly how to do it and get into the details on how to do it. I don't want to make that video just because there's already such a good one, and he's way more technical than I am. So you guys want to watch that video. Hey, Mickle, is your nickname Mick? My name's not actually Mickle. My last name's McLaughlin. And back in high school, me and my boys just had a long-standing joke where they'd call me Big Mickle for some reason. So when I made this channel, I was just like, screw it, Mickle. Yeah, my last name's McLaughlin, and that's where Mickle came from. So my nickname is, I guess my nickname's Mickle. So Mick is not my Mickle nickname. It's just Mickle. We're breaking through. Yes, sir. It's looking beautiful. Guys, I think we're gonna have some exciting weeks coming. Swell's coming. Maybe we'll get to I don't know. Maybe Gary Gensler will get settle the SEC lawsuit, and we won't have to deal with this BS anymore. Please pull up the Sologenic charts. I'm just gonna leave the XRP chart for now. That's what this channel's focused on. So, Mick, I think the rumor was saying that XRP will dump us. I don't focus too much on. Oh, sorry, I'll read it. Mick, what do you think of rumors saying XRP will dump when Swell starts? Guys, focusing on these short-term movements is like impossible. Like, we focus here on the macro moves. We saw these massive patterns playing out. It's easy, but anything can happen in a candle. You could have some whale dump some XRP, and we could have a candle down to whatever. The main point is how healthy is the XRP ecosystem? Is it being adopted? And that's what I'm looking forward to see at Swell. I want to see some big players getting involved, and I already think we have big players. I think we're just waiting for regulatory clarity so they can really release a lot of this information. Sir, please share this. Yes, thank you. Please share my channel. It helps me so much, and I love making these videos. So the more subscribers I can get, if you guys are in this live stream, make sure you're subscribed. I love making these videos, and I love seeing you guys in the comments getting like fired up for it. So definitely keep doing that. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy doing this. I got an XRP tattoo. Joe, that's sick. I want to get one. It's just that you should have seen it. I got an XRP shirt. It's actually a sick shirt. And the first time I was hanging out with my friends are not nearly as into crypto as I am. Like, I just went off like the crypto deep end and like won't shut up about it anymore. But I showed up to like an event with an XRP shirt, and they literally were calling me XRP for the rest of the night. I wouldn't hear the end of it. A lot of them actually hold XRP, which is the funniest thing. We even have a fantasy football league. It's called XRP Fantasy. And in the beginning of the season, we bought some XRP, and the winner will get the whole pot. So I've kind of turned them, but I need to wait on the XRP tattoo. Maybe once XRP moons and I really make some money, then they can't give me shit. But until that happens, I'll wait on my XRP tattoo. That's sick, though. I love that. What about Stellar? I like Stellar. I just like XRP more. Stellar's a really, really good project. Very solid. For me, it's just that the partners are what really make XRP and Ripple's two of the most interesting companies in cryptos that I've ever come across. Yeah, no, I really do. I do like Stellar. I just don't talk about it as much because yeah, I just like to focus on XRP. But yeah, I do hold Stellar and I do like it. It's just that I swear, there's like so much news around XRP. It's like I make one video and then I go onto Twitter and I find 4 more crazy things. I'm just like, oh my god, I need to make another video. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and you guys all love XRP. Yo, Mick, how high you think this can go? Jason, yeah, I always say XRP $10 is easy. I think that's just in the cards, like very sooner than people think. I think people get so like concerned about when something's gonna happen, but I think it's closer than people think. I think $10 is easy. I really think it gets more interesting when we zoom out and we really think 5 to 10 years. I would love to see a 3-digit XRP, and I think it's a lot more probable than people think. You called it, Mickle. Yeah, I can't. These charts were crazy when I first noticed this, and that's really what inspired me to make this channel, just because like I didn't see anyone else talking about these patterns that I have up here, and I was like, how do I like tell people this without talking my friend's ear off like I had been? And they're like, dude, we get it, XRP's gonna moon. So I made the channel. You guys have been blowing it up. It's awesome. It's so fun making these. Yeah, and it's been great to see like how insanely this has played out. I know you guys have probably seen the video, so I'm not going to get into it, but yeah, no, it looks beautiful, and now we're getting this nice candle right here. One of these coming days, guys, we are going to get a crazy candle, and we're going to blow up massively. And then you're going to see all your friends be like, oh, dude, I just bought some XRP at $2.50, $3. It's like, all right, dude, sick buy. Did XRP close the day? Yes, it did. Barely, but it did. We have this nice daily close right here. And I always say, guys, one daily close, while we do love looking at these candles and seeing this, one daily close, really anything could happen. It could go down below. Stuff happens. We can see back here, we actually fell out of this region. So we just want to see some consistent price action above this, and we will be golden. We already look very good, but I just want to see a couple more days of some fucking solid candles coming in here, and then hopefully we just get a massive one. That would be awesome. This week is very exciting, guys. I'll be doing videos on Swell and breaking it down for you guys, so it's super easy to understand. I'm gonna be telling you the most important stuff, but this week is very exciting. Isn't it crazy how like we have like the biggest Ripple event of the year, and it comes out just as XRP is breaking out of a what do you want to call it, a 250-day long pattern, and right at the end we end on Ripple Swell. Like, geez, that's crazy. Your pattern is accurate. I know, it's crazy, guys. I could not believe how accurate this pattern is. Yeah, it's wild. I saw this playing out, and I was just like, I need to make videos on this so people realize what is about to happen. Like I said, when is it going to happen? How soon? That's hard to predict. I think we're closer than people think, but what XRP does is these massive candles just like, let's just take a look at something real quick. Let's take a look at this candle right here. Like, this right here was a 52% increase on one candle. Like, guys, we're going to see this again. Like, this is what XRP does. When it's going to happen, who knows? But it's going to happen, and it's going to happen sooner than you think. We broke out of here, so hopefully very soon we're going to be getting some of these monster candles, and that's when it gets fun. I love you, Mickle. XRP Hodler, I love you too, and thank you for coming. Awesome how you guys have been supporting me. This has been a lot of fun. Is XRP going to reach $5 in December? I don't, guys, look, those short term, I would love it if it did, and I think it has potential to, but is it gonna? I can't say for sure, just because unfortunately Mickle can't predict the future. He can only tell you guys what he thinks gonna happen, and I do think $10 XRP is in the cards. By December or not, I don't know. I would assume it would happen within, I don't know, what do you want to say, 2 months, 3 months? I think we're close. I feel like we're going to get some crazy news this week. Jacob, I agree. I think we will get some crazy news this week. What it's going to be, I have no idea. Hello from Tokyo. Wow. Hello. That's awesome. I love it. I get super excited when I see you guys from all over the world, just because I haven't traveled all too much around the world. I've been to a few different places. I've been to Mexico, Canada, some of those places, but from Tokyo, wow, awesome. Do you guys believe I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Do you believe in the 4-year cycle? If so, do you think XRP could hit $30 along with BTC's blow off top? I don't believe in the 4-year cycle. Do I believe the 4-year cycle happened in the past? Yeah, I completely agree that it happened in the past. My biggest problem with the 4-year cycle is it's only Bitcoin was really the first time the 4-year cycle that people like to look about. Bitcoin was really like the only coin on the market. So like people talk about the 4-year cycle and it's like it's happened twice. Like markets don't continue to play out in these cycles. Eventually something takes over where the market just gets a mind of its own. And let me show you an example of that in I guess this isn't a great example, but markets aren't going to always go in these 4-year cycles. It's going to break the 4-year cycle at some point, whether it's this time or the next 4 years. I don't know, but I do think eventually we're going to deviate from these 4-year cycles. I'm just skeptical just because it seems like everyone and their mom understands what a 4-year cycle is now, and it just seems like too obvious to me. It's like, all right, so we had one 4-year cycle, and then we had another. Who's to say that we're going to have another one after this, or we'll just go into something completely different? A lot of times when you look at charts like that, you start to just assume something's definitely going to happen, even if it's not. But we'll see. I don't know. Dave Bradley, thanks for just what even is that? All right, if someone could report Dave, maybe I can just kick him. Yeah, whatever. Hello from Australia. What is up? I love, actually, one of my best friends from college was from Australia. You Australians are a great time. So, hello from Australia. You guys are awesome. Hello from Greece. Wow. Awesome. I love hearing where you guys are from. That's sick. I've never been to Greece, but it looks beautiful. So, that's dope. India. Nice. Nice. Oh, my God. Wow, it's so crazy. Like, it's so cool that we can be all over the world and just all be in this, like, all be in XRP and all be in this community together. So it's sick. Canada, Colorado, dope. I love Colorado. Colorado is a beautiful place. Saudi Arabia, wow. This is sick. I love hearing where you guys are from. New Zealand, nice. Dallas, Hong Kong, Sydney, wow. You guys are... we literally, I don't think we've had like 2 people in the same place. Hey, for Brazil, Juan, can you confirm that ODL is live in Brazil? I need you to start talking to some central bankers, mate. We need, you're going to be my new inside source from Brazil. Tell us when the deal is done. Damn, so many people. Yes, sir. This is hyping me up. Hawaii. Oh, I am going to Hawaii at some point. Once XRP moons, I will be in Hawaii. And, yeah, I will be drinking on the beach in Hawaii. That will be sick. How does it feel moving into the influencer space? Whales are already talking about you in a group I'm in. Oh, that's sick. Honestly, that just makes me so happy. Like, I really didn't even, like, I thought I was going to get into this and have no followers. I just wanted to put my content out there. But, yeah, if they're talking about me, that's awesome. I would love, if any of you guys have any, like, are friends with any, like, big YouTubers and want to, like, would want to collab or talk about charts or whatever, like, just let me know, reach out to me. Like, I would love to work with other people. A lot of these people in the XRP community, like, taught me everything I know. So it would just be an honor for me to, like, meet some of these people and talk to them. But, yeah, I love that. I love that I've gained this popularity and I'm able to help you guys out. And that's really what I've focused on. The more people that follow this channel, the more people I can help, the more people I can inspire confidence into. And that's really what this is all about. You have a great, simple looking TA, bro. Yeah, that's really what I try to focus on. Like, I hate when people have, like, a TA chart. It's like this line here, and then this hits this. Like, that's really not what this channel is about. I try to look at the big picture, repeating patterns. What are simple things we can look for on a nice, zoomed out time frame? That's really what we want to see. Berlin, that's sick. Damn. How did you discover the patterns? That's actually a pretty interesting. It's actually a pretty interesting question. I figured it out actually. So we had this massive pump and then this drop back here, and then we came back here and it was about right here. I was like, wow, you know what would be really crazy if we fell back down to this number 4, and then we would have essentially had let me draw this for you. But oh fuck, where is it? We would have essentially had this part right here and this part right here exactly the same. And then once this fell, I was like, wow, this is crazy. We are literally watching this pattern play out again. And I just started running up the videos on it because I was like, people need to see this. So, yeah. Flare, oh, I'm super excited for Flare. Flare is going to be dope. I'm going to be participating in Flare, not with all my XRP, but I'm gonna be participating in Flare. I'm gonna be accumulating Flare too, and if you guys want to see it, I'll be doing some Flare content too. I only want to be putting out content that people want to see. You know, I don't want to be putting out videos that just get 10 views, and it's really not because I care about the views. It's because it makes no sense for me to make videos that none of you guys want to see. Like, this channel is literally for you. Like, I make these videos because you guys want to see them, so it makes no sense for me to be making videos if only 1% of my audience is interested in that. So yeah, if you guys want to hear about Flare, I'd love to make videos on it. There's really not much to talk about now. You know, there's no market, there's no price chart to look at. We haven't seen it go live. Songbird is dope. Wow, let's go. Thomas Butcher, fire me up. You were my first super chat ever. What do you think about 3x leverage XRP coins? So Thomas, you get special attention because for being my first super chat. Thomas, I personally do not use leverage. I would say be careful with it. If you do want to trade and you just want to flip some profits, I think it's a pretty cool tool to use. But like I said, just be careful out there. I don't mess with leverage just because there are dangers to it. Just make sure you know what you're doing. If you do want to trade and you're not really interested in the holding, then yeah, just make sure you're careful. Oh my God. Why are scammers a thing? Like, what is this? Just guys, if you see someone scamming, just make sure you just hide them or report them. I don't know really what to do. I'm new to this. Maybe I have to get moderators. I never thought I'd be to this point. So, all right, I think we're good. XRP will reach $20. Yeah, hopefully it gets to $20. That'd be dope. Oh, Joe's, wow, guys, thank you so much. Love the TA. Keep up the great work and positive vibes, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I always get people always say how positive, how optimistic I am. And guys, if there is a reason to be pessimistic, I will tell you guys what you need to be here. But the only reason why I'm so positive and so hyped up is because there's so much money to be made in XRP right now. And I want you guys to be excited about what's to come. Let me get your second super chat, XRP to the moon. Maury, thank you. And you were the third, but hey, some people say third's the best. So thank you so much. I really appreciate that, guys. Yeah, it's just seeing you guys and seeing that kind of support just makes me so happy. It makes me understand how much you guys appreciate the work I'm doing, and that's really, it means more than anything. I love you guys, your guys' support. It just makes making these videos so much easier, because when I get home from work and I'm just like, oh, I don't want to make a video right now, I see your guys' comments like, Mickle, where's the update? Mickles, where's the update? And I'm just like, oh, I gotta drop a video for the boys. So yeah, when you guys are supporting the channel, it just makes making the videos so much easier, so much more fun. It's a lot of fun. Mickle, have you noticed how quiet the SEC lawsuit has been for the last 3 weeks? Yes, I know, it's crazy. I don't like getting into the settlement speculation too much, just because people have been wrong on it for so long. But guys, I think we're close to a settlement. Like, how much longer could this possibly go on for? Like, I do think we're probably closer than people realize to a settlement. And yeah, no, that's gonna be sick. I think you're right though. I think you're onto something with how quiet it can be. Can't believe that was your first super chat ever, LOL. Can you check the weekly XRP? Also, is it too much to ask for the trading view chart link? Thanks. All right, so I will be doing a link for the trading view. I'll probably announce it on Twitter or in the YouTube, what do you want to call it, the community post. I just need to figure out some more stuff beforehand, just if I want to do more charts or whatever. So I'll get back to you on that. And if you want to see the weekly, yeah, I'm going to do it just because you super chatted, so I'll do whatever you want here. The biggest problem for the weekly is the fact that I didn't actually draw these lines for the weekly. It was made for the daily. But as you can see, like, these lines still match up, like, beautifully. Like, this chart still looks very, very clean on the weekly. And I do love looking at the weekly. I haven't done too much weekly analysis on this channel, but as you can see, nothing breaks on the weekly. Like, we are looking at the same exact general formation on the weekly, and I do love looking at the weekly, because the weekly gives you, I love zooming out. The more I can zoom out, the more confident I am, and we're broken on the weekly too. I want to point out again that these lines weren't drawn for the weekly, but assuming that these lines aren't moving, we also broke out on the weekly. Maybe in the next video I'll do some weekly analysis. So thank you for that. That was a good call. I'm glad I pulled that up and the chart didn't look like an absolute mess. Oh, you never really know what's gonna happen when you go live for your first time ever. I guess anything could happen. So, yep. Thank you guys so much. Will we know more? Mickle, I love knowing a bunch of cool people like you are about to come up. Roger, thank you, bro. Yeah, the come up has been pretty wild. I gained traction a lot faster than I thought it would. But yeah, it's been sick, guys. I love making these videos. Like, gaining traction has just been like, I feel like it happens so quickly for me, just because I feel like people really vibe with the channel. Like, I try to keep it nice and cool. I try not to, like, just read articles to you guys. I feel like a lot of YouTubers just, like, read articles. Like, anytime I'm bringing you guys information, it's going to be my opinion on the information. It's going to be me breaking down the information. And then when I bring you TA charts, they're going to be my TA charts. They're going to be what I'm seeing, what I think's happening. But also, guys, I'm not a closed-minded person. Like, I spend hours and hours a day watching other YouTubers. So just know, I'm not, like, sitting here and I hate when people say I don't watch any other YouTubers, I just do my own analysis. Like, guys, I grind the other YouTubers, I watch all their content, and I bring you what I believe is the most important and what you guys need to see. And I digest it for you too. You know, I don't just give you guys an article and all right, figure it out. Like, what I do is I want to break it down and make it so you guys can easily understand what I'm talking about and why it's so important. Oh my God, thank you so much for that. Fourth, let's go XRP Army. Damn, that is sick. Thank you so much. That's awesome, guys. That means so much to me. So thank you so much, Kiwi Strong. That is, or I'm so bad with names, so if I mispronounce your name, I'm so sorry, but thank you so much for that. That really means so much, and it goes a long way in helping me just do what I do. So thank you for that. It really means a lot, and make sure, like, if you guys want to just know anything with any of these super chats, just throw it in there too, so I can answer any questions for you too, because when you're giving me that, you deserve to ask anything you want, and I'll do my best to get you the best answer I can. T-Mail Flash, dude, sick name. That I kind of like that, T-Mail Flash. Damn. Could you stream as a full-time job now, dude? You've been dropping the bomb comments, dude. I like dude, I'm gonna try to Scalber. I like you, man. You're a sick dude. You've been dropping some heat comments. I wish I could stream full time. Unfortunately, I have a shitty ass engineering job I have to go to in the morning. But I'll do more streams because you guys obviously love it. And like I said, I do this channel for you. Whatever you guys want, I'm doing. So if you guys want more streams it is. Yeah. Let's see what else we got. Blockchain backer. Yeah, I love the blockchain backer. I watch all his videos. I don't necessarily. I think a lot of his. I don't agree with his Bitcoin price, his XRP price, but he's been accurate. So I guess we'll see what happens. If Bitcoin tops out at 70K, then I guess all hail blockchain backer. The guy's future reader. I don't know what to call it. He's been nailing it, so I see what happens. But I watch his videos all the time. I don't agree with what he says necessarily. He really doesn't focus on the fundamentals at all. He's only a technical analysis. But oh my god, sorry, I just saw OnlyFans Mickle. Please, sorry guys, no OnlyFans. That I can't happen. My girlfriend would not enjoy me doing an OnlyFans. It's so funny. I have some. I think only like 9% of my viewers are girls, but I do have some girls posting on my videos and saying, "Oh, Mickle, you're so cute," and she's like, "I don't even like to read your comments," which I thought is hilarious. Oh, Justin, oh, thank you so much. I don't even know what that currency is. But thank you, and no matter what, like, if you guys give me anything, like, I appreciate it so much. How high do you think it can go from here? Justin, so I cannot give you a time frame because it's almost impossible to predict time in these things. I've said this multiple times. I think XRP right now, if it was trading at a fair valuation in the market today, it would be trading at around $12, and anywhere you buy it under there, you're getting a massive discount. And why do I think that? It's because when you look at something like Ethereum, we see that Ethereum right now is valued at about, it's pumped 237% past its former all-time high. There's no reason XRP shouldn't be in the exact same spot. Ethereum is the standard for the development. XRP is the standard for payments. I think we catch up. I think we do what Ethereum's done and get to that place. And until then, XRP is undervalued. I think XRP will go past that because guys, I love XRP. I think XRP is the best digital asset out there. So I think XRP deserves to be overvalued in the market, not fairly valued. If that takes it to whatever price, we have to see. But very conservatively, I think $10 to $12 XRP is actually like a no-brainer bet. And I think if it wasn't for the sketchy-ass SEC, I think we'd be there. So, yeah. And don't be like, oh, I can't believe the SEC's ruining my pump. Like, guys, realize like it gave us way more time to get XRP. So, yeah. So thank you, and yeah, thanks for the question. XRP is the one. I agree. XRP is sick. Yeah, I love XRP. It's easy to talk to. Like I hold Quant, I hold HBAR, Ethereum, Bitcoin, like all of them. Digital assets are have a future, and everyone will be important. It's just that XRP is in such a special place. Hey Mickle, appreciate your thoughts. May I check if participating in airdrops via XRP Toolkit are... Yeah. So if you are using XRP Toolkit, you are safe to be participating in airdrops. Guys, the only way that your crypto could ever be at harm is if you were to give out your private keys. So or keep it on an exchange without two-factor authentication turned on. So no matter what, just never give out your private keys. That's all you need to do. Never give out your private keys, and don't listen to anyone giving you free money. Yeah, don't let anyone. Just be skeptical. That's all I want to say. As long as you guys don't do anything dumb, you won't lose your crypto. Using the XRP Toolkit safe. And then go to influencers and find influencers in the space and make sure before you get into an airdrop, just make sure it's not like it's just a good one. Just because you don't want to be wasting your time with a bunch of shitty airdrops. You want to make sure you're getting good airdrops, not a bunch of scam coins that you're gonna look at a couple years and be like, oh, thank God I got this shitty ass coin. Are you gonna buy X punks? I'm a little on the fence about X punks. I think it's cool. I think it'll probably do well in the future. I don't have plans to necessarily accumulate it. It's not high on my list, but at the same time, could be convinced otherwise. Right now, for me, it's like I get so excited when I can buy like some HBAR or some XRP at the valuation that they're at. So I'm just like not like FOMOing into X punks right now. But I mean, you can make a ton of money on it. Like don't get me wrong. So just know, yeah. Did you add a trust line for the Sologenic airdrop? Yeah, I set that up. Yeah, I set that up. So I will be getting that airdrop. I tend to fare slightly conservative with my airdrops. I just like to see something that has like a sick project. Like I like to get into something when I see a sick project and I'm like, damn, I need to get into that. So yeah, that's been cool. I do like getting an airdrop. I just don't want to get like I'm not saying Xpunk at all is like a bad airdrop. I actually think it's probably one of the better ones, but there are going to be, in terms of those trust lines, there are going to be some coins that are just flat out just scams. So I just like to be slightly conservative. Like I said, there's no risk to your wallet if you do get into a scam airdrop. It's just like a waste of your time, you know. Then you have these coins in your wallet that are like whatever, it's just another thing you have to deal with. So I just say be slightly careful. Do you have time to explain what an airdrop is? Yeah, I'll say that real quick. An airdrop is just essentially, so one of the biggest things in crypto is it's really hard to get your coin out there without having to sell it to people. So an airdrop is just when people give you a token for free to help decentralize the network. So a good example is I was one of the first users of Uniswap, and I actually got some free Uni tokens by being one of the first users, and they just sent it to my wallet for free. Yeah, so it's essentially just people give you free crypto, and it's called an airdrop. It's I'm glad the crypto community started getting into airdrops because it's cool getting getting free money. I don't think anyone hates free money. So yeah, that's dope. Trying to look at. I feel like this stream is like. This stream's current bitrate is lower than recommended bitrate. We recommend you stream bitrate. Yeah, the streams will get better in the future too. Just know this is my first one, so we'll make sure the quality and stuff gets better. I just need to. I wanted to put this one out here. You know, get the first one done with. I was a little nervous at first, like seeing what it'd be like, but this is fun. This is really cool. Taxes on airdrops. Don't forget. Yeah, guys. Don't forget about that. This definitely isn't a tax channel. Like I don't want to be getting into taxes and stuff. But just do your research on taxes. The most annoying thing of all time. Like I hate taxes. Yeah, taxes are annoying, but definitely a good call. We don't want to let people forget about the airdrops. So legit airdrops are the bomb, said the King. Oh, I love that name. That's a sick name, the King. That's sick. I saw on some of my thumbnails, I do like I'll say like XRP when XRP moons were all kings. I think that's a pretty funny thing to throw out there. Do you think the whole crypto market have a crash for XRP to shine? No, I think if the whole crypto market crashes, XRP will crash too. I think we want everything to do well. I think XRP will just needs to catch up to everything else. I think and it will. It's going to be valued like the rest of the market, and for me, that's $10, and I think that's a no-brainer. Are you planning on minting XRP during the bear market? I'm going to mint some XRP either way. Like, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to have some XRP minting and getting some Spark. I think Spark's a really cool project, and I trust them. I'm not going to mint all my XRP just because I don't think it's ever good to just do all of something, just because you never know what will happen. But I'm definitely going to be minting some. Yeah, I'm just going to use it to accumulate some Spark for free. I think it's pretty cool. I see that that's VCC Vecas Metaverse project. No, I'll look into it though. So, yeah, hopefully I can check that out, and I'll get back to you on that. I don't have a I don't know anything about it. So it's funny when you start to like get like when you start to like become like get like a following like this. Oh my god, the amount of projects you hear about. People are like, do you know about this project? It's like, I love looking into them and I love seeing them, but like it's overwhelming sometimes. I'm like, I swear sometimes I'll like look at my computer and I literally have so many tabs that like I can't even like see what each tab is in, and each one is just a different coin that I try to do my research in. But that's why I like to stick to the big ones, and then I do accumulate some of the smaller ones, but in much smaller positions. I sold my kidney from Anthony. God, I got it. I think you're kidding, but that's a hilarious comment. Yeah, so any plans for a Discord? So, at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to make a Discord. I want it to be, I want to have a free Discord where everyone can just communicate and talk. One of the problems with the Discord is I do have a full-time job right now, and I just don't want to put out a product right now that I can't just be like fully immersed in and like give you guys like all my effort. So I just don't want to make a Discord and like have it be dead all the time. But hopefully once I get like a decent amount of subscribers, I can release a Discord and be slightly active in it and just create a community of people who are more active in it. I also have plans to do just like a paid subscription thing for people who want to see my full account, everything I'm trading, live buys and sells, all my holdings, what I'm adding, what I'm selling. But that's much further down the road, just because yeah, right now I just really want to focus on delivering great content. I really don't want to get into the private group stuff is a lot of work and all that, and that's really not what this channel's about. So I do plan on adding more things like that in the future. I just want to take my time because I don't ever want to spread myself too thin here. Like, I do work a full-time job. I have a girlfriend. I got friends I got to hang out with. So I want to make sure that I will be releasing those things in the future. I just want to make sure when I release them, they are sick products and they're things people want to use, and they're not some half-ass version of something and have people just wish they didn't get involved in it. So yeah, I will be doing it. I just want to make sure when I do have it ready, it's something that people want to use, and it's a good product, because I never want to be putting anything out there that's not something that I am proud to get behind. So I hope that makes sense. Discord will be coming. Yeah, I think I rambled on enough about that. Just found your channel last week. XRP Speedboat. Wow, that is a great name. Thank you. I'm glad you're here. Yeah. 11-minute for 2-hour candle close. This is it. Moon time. Yes, sir. We are looking great. Yeah, I was hoping we'd get a fucking blast off candle here, but kind of hovering around 25. I swear, as soon as I go to bed and as soon as I go to sleep, XRP will start pumping. Edward Johnson. Excuses. No, that's not an excuse. I could make a Discord right now if I wanted to. It's just I'm not going to be as active as I want to be in it right now, so I'm going to make sure it's a great product. So don't want to be releasing anything that's subpar, and when I release it, it will be dope like everything else I've done on this channel so far. So don't worry, it will come. Dude, I love your work. Kay, thank you. I love doing this stuff for you. So it's really not as fun when I just sit here and stare at this stuff on my own. I like sharing it, and I like giving you guys stuff to watch. XRP market dominance chart. I don't have that ready right now. I will do that in the future. That's a good thing to look into. Some of these comments are hilarious. I love you. Thank you, man. I can't see your profile picture. I think you're a man. Thank you though. Sometimes it's hard to tell by like a name or something, and I'm just like, I feel like I always say like man or bro, but like all my female viewers, you are highly appreciated. I wish I could get more female viewers. It's kind of funny only seeing like 8% females. It's like, yeah, I run a giant sausage fest on the internet where I talk about XRP. Tell lawyer Mickle we said hi. Oh, Zenda Lion. That is hilarious that you remember that video. I actually got a lot of comments that people like loved that I started the video off with like lawyer Mickle here. Definitely not a lawyer, but I've been following this case and I feel like I'm almost a decent lawyer. So yeah, I'll bring my lawyer analysis back at some point. There's just been nothing in this SEC case to talk about recently, so yeah, unfortunately, lawyer Mickle is on rest right now, but be assured lawyer Mickle will be back. What website you use for following cryptos? Actually, I like CoinMarketCap. It seems to be not that glitchy. Pretty good. So I use CoinMarketCap. I use a couple different things, but CoinMarketCap is what I'd recommend if you're just looking for something. Don't worry, I'll send the chicks your way. Just keep us in the loop with XRP. You're the man. I got a girlfriend, so don't let her see that, but I'll take the chicks. Nah, I'm just kidding, but it is funny, the 8% chicks on the channel, but that's a hilarious comment. Are you selling or holding past the $7 to $10 mark? Kevin, yeah, I'm gonna sell a little bit, but I got unless I don't have plans to put my money anywhere, like unless there's like some other dank investment that I think like I need to buy, like most of my money is gonna be staying in XRP for the long run. I will be selling some. I'll buy myself something nice. I'll buy my girlfriend something nice. Maybe my family. I'll get them some presents, whatever. You know, be generous. I'm not a person who really likes to spend money on myself anyway. I like spending money on other people, but yeah, that's what I'm going to use it for, and the rest I just want to hold. Like XRP is not a 1 year thing for me. It's a lot longer than that. So yeah, it's a hold. I'm holding it for the long run, and I know a lot of the price charts we talk about are more on a short time frame, but yeah, I definitely sell some, do something to make yourself happy, but unless you have something else better than cash where you could put your money, then yeah, I would just recommend just spoil yourself a little bit, but never sell all of it. You never know what XRP will be one day. You don't want to be like that guy who sold Bitcoin at $5 and, you know, looks back today and just goes, God, imagine what I could have had. Yeah. You think before I'm a financial advisor? I thought about being. I wish it's so funny. People always say I'm not a financial advisor in my video. It's like I don't say it just because like I never said I was a financial advisor. So like I'm not a lot of things. I'm not going to come on here and like disclose every single thing, every profession I am and am not. I've not once said I'm a financial advisor. So I just think it's funny. Like, Anthony, I'm joking. I forgot what you said. We'll get back to it. When is latest do you think we will really see the real price of XRP? What's your lowest entry point on XRP? Dane, that's a great question. I actually haven't gotten that. So back here, I think I copped some XRP for around 21 cents, and I was sitting there thinking I was either the smartest person in the entire world or the dumbest. Those were some beautiful buys on XRP right here. I was literally taking every single paycheck I had and just throwing it directly into XRP. I was like, I need more XRP. I need more XRP. I need more XRP. And I remember at one point I was with my girlfriend and she was sitting there. She's like, why do you keep buying this thing? Like, what are you doing? And yeah, it paid off really well. It was pretty funny. Yeah, but that's my lowest XRP. And I wish I just sold everything I had and bought more XRP there. But what are you going to do? That's my lowest point. First time I've donated, and wish you the best. Robert, thank you so much, man. Like, that, it really means a lot. It goes a long way. Yeah, so thank you so much. That's huge. Kimsey too. Oh my God, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's hard for me to describe like how much that means, just seeing those flow in. But thank you so much. It really does mean a lot, and goes a long way. Like, I put a lot of time and effort into this channel, and it's just so great to see that you guys like enjoy it enough to actually like donate to it. So thank you so much. It helps a lot, and I promise you that anything that I get from this channel, I do want to use it to make this channel just overall better. So thank you. I did the same thing about the same time, around 17 cents. Yeah, guys, that was like, I wish I was making YouTube videos back then, because I literally would have been here screaming at you, literally just like, buy XRP, buy XRP. And the comments would have been like, it's going to zero. And I've been like, it's not going to zero, it's going to $10. I'd have been getting ripped apart, but I'd come here screaming every day, buy more XRP. Because that's what I was doing. It was funny, I was actually telling my dad, I was like, you need to buy XRP right now. He's like, what the fuck is XRP? And I was like, doesn't matter, just buy it. And he actually, I don't think he got a bag there. He got a bag probably around, I don't know, like 25, 30 cents. I mean, guys, at the end of the day, it won't matter. Like, I think one day people will be sitting there like, you'll be telling people like, oh, I bought XRP at $1. And they'll be like, oh my God, that's crazy, $1? So yeah, so it's sick, but like, you know, it's the grand scheme of things, like what is XRP really gonna be? How high will it really go? Yeah, no one knows. Said it before, most undervalued channel, keep it up. XRP to $10. Dude, oh my God, 100K subs. I don't even know what I'd do. Jeez, you guys would definitely deserve something very special for being like the first people here. I'll definitely archive this live stream, and I'll be going through this chat and like seeing who is there, and we'll definitely have to like hook you OG guys up with something special. But yeah, oh my God, 100K is just a dream. I never thought I'd be where I am as fast as I have, but it's been super exciting. I've been enjoying it. The most important part is it's been fun. It hasn't been overwhelming. I was really worried I was going to be too much and I was going to burn out, but oh my God, like the best part of my day is like after work, and I can just come here and just release like a sick video, and I see you guys all popping off in the comments being like, yes, Mickle, dope call, like playing out exactly. Like, your comments do not go unnoticed. So when you guys comment on my videos, like recently I've been getting like hundreds, and I can't respond to every single one, so I'm sorry if I'm not commenting, but just know I'm reading every single one. Like, I read them all, and I get so hyped when I see, especially the funny ones. I love the funny ones. Like that, I know a lot of my videos are like super serious, but like I'm definitely like a guy who like likes to mess around and have fun. So when I see some like hilarious comments, like I immediately, like, I have a group chat with all my friends, and like I send it to them. We're all like cracking up. We think it's the funniest thing. So if you guys are bringing some like comedy, I love it. Add your XRP address to your bio. Jay, that's a good idea. I was actually going to, so I will. That's a good idea. I definitely will do that. You the best, 100%. Thank you. XRP Army Major Mickle, the king. The king. That is a lit comment. That is a top 5 comment I've seen go onto this channel. XRP Army Major Mickle. That, I'm telling you right now, that is going somewhere on my channel. That is absolutely gas. Fire me up on that one. XRP Army Major Mickle. Damn, that is dope. Oh, that's fire. Damn, that has me in stitches. That's good. Doubled my XRP stack because of this guy. Guys, I'm here to inspire confidence in you guys, and it's not about me telling you to buy XRP. It's about me giving you guys the confidence to buy and hold XRP because it's the best digital asset on earth. So I'm just here to make your job a little bit easier. That's why I do this. It's really because I never want to see people panic selling their XRP when we all know the potential it has. And sometimes these like investing can get like, it can get like scary, and it can get like weird where you're like second guess yourself and you start to think you made a mistake, and like, what if I bought this coin instead? Maybe I should just get rid of this one. That's why this channel is here. This channel is here to let you guys know that there's someone out there like you who has confidence in what this is, and and it's gonna do. Sorry, I just read Mickle with the pickle XRP forever. Yes, sir. I've gotten that comment a couple times. That one's pretty hilarious. Hey Mick, I want to buy more. Should I wait for a little diff or just jump in? Always dollar cost average. What I always recommend is just buying something you feel comfortable with and then adding if it dips. You need to understand that a lot of my videos are about a massive move for XRP coming. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to be buying XRP after a massive rip and getting in 80%. I would recommend just buying some, and if you want to buy more, whatever, just make sure just make sure you understand, like, there's going to be volatility. You're not going to time it perfectly, and yeah, just add dollar cost average in, build up some XRP. But yeah, I saw an interesting one. Let me try to find it. Dollar cost average, that's a fire average 31 cents. I honestly don't even know where mine is at this point. At one point I had an average of around like probably like 25 or 30 cents, and then I just stopped caring. I was just like, where is it? Like, XRP was going here, I was buying all up in here. I wasn't buying anywhere close because like I don't buy pumps. But XRP fell down to what is it, like here, like $1.10, loaded up on some XRP, fell down here into the 60-cent region, and I started buying XRP heavy again, pumped up here, let it sit, bought some more XRP here, and then essentially whenever it came down to this trend line, I just added a little. My real bags were packed right here, but like I said, I think XRP is worth $12 right now, so if I can get it for $1, even that is, in my opinion, a great deal. So yeah, we'll even though $1 isn't a 30-cent XRP, like, unless you have somewhere better to put your money, like, that's what I always tell people. People tell me, do I buy XRP now or do I wait? It's like, what else are you investing in? Do you have anything else you want to buy? If the answer is no and you want to buy XRP, then buy some XRP. If you're buying a whole bunch of different cryptos and different stocks and you're looking for a perfect average on XRP, it's like, no, it's not perfect, but you know, you don't have to be perfect. You can just, if you really believe in the asset, you can just buy something, hold it for the long run, and just be happy with what you have. You know, don't focus so much on the percentage gains. Like, those come. Like, you don't need to always be worried about if you're up 30%, down 20%. Like, in the end of the day, we're looking to be up 10x. Like, until we have a 10x, like, we're not focused on these little 30%, 20% moves. Like, the reason we're here is to make bank. You know, it's not for 20-30%. So if you're down 20 or 30%, like, just realize that that can change in a day. Anything could change. We're looking for a move where it won't even matter if you were in at 80 cents, $1, 25 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. Like, obviously, if your average is 30 cents, you fucking killed it. But I just don't want to, like, discourage anyone from, like, buying XRP at like $1 and thinking, oh, I'm too late. Like, when I say XRP should be valued at $12, that's because I think it would be a fair valuation compared to where Ethereum is at. I think XRP deserves to be valued more than Ethereum. How much more, that's impossible to tell. It should be valued more. Yeah, so until then, I think it's undervalued, and I think it should catch up there. Just buy and keep holding. XRP is under all-time highs. Yeah, no, Jonathan, that's exactly how I look at it. You know, you don't always have to overcomplicate things. Like, if you're new and, like, you don't want to be stressed out about, like, how much, like, buying at a perfect low, just whenever you get some free money, just buy some. Like, that's what I do. I'll just, like, and when I'm doing, sometimes, like, yes, if I'm going to do a big buy, I want it to happen at a good point. But if I have some extra money and I'm not investing it in anything else right now, like, I'm throwing it in XRP. And I do own a lot of stocks too. I'm not some I love crypto. I love XRP, but I'm an investor. Like I invest in a whole bunch of different things. So I have money going into stocks every week. I have money going into different cryptos. But XRP is like the king of it all for me. Like XRP is the best thing I've ever found. My next big load up will be Ripple stock. I will be buying Ripple stock too. That's just how I work. I like to buy all different sides of it. I like to invest in everything I can, cop a whole bunch of bags, but don't you guys worry. My XRP bag is the biggest one out there. So I'm not just making this channel and like I have some little XRP bag. Like XRP is the most important asset in my portfolio. So it's definitely my number one focus, but I'm also not some guy who's going to tell you I only own XRP. I own stocks. I own crypto. Yeah, that's actually it. I made that list sound like I was going to like list like some whole bunch of other stuff. I own stocks. I own crypto. And yeah, that's dope. Oh, I just got a massive spike in people watching this. Like 100 people just joined. I don't know. I wonder what happened. Huh. First live stream though. This has been. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Like this has definitely been fun. Do you guys have any other? Do you have any other questions? Anyone have anything that they want to throw out there? I'm probably gonna hop off. Maybe we'll call it 5-10 minutes. So if you guys have any last questions, give them a shoot. And yeah, we'll definitely do this again soon. This has been a ton of fun, and it's cool. Like I feel like I definitely recognize some of you guys from the comments. So like, I feel like I've gotten to know some of you even better, which is really cool. Been here since 200 subs. First one to tell you to start making your bed, Mike. That's so funny. Oh my god, like you should see, like that's like now like a meme in my friend group. They're like, Mickle, is your bed made yet? It's so funny. I didn't even think when I was first making these videos, and I was like, oh fuck, like I'm totally getting called out for my bed not being made. It's so funny too, because my dad was like totally roasting me. He's like, oh, now you publicize to the whole world that you don't make your fucking bed. So that's pretty funny. Like, yeah, no, Mike, I'm not the type of guy like who gets like, we don't get freaked out like, oh, he's making fun of me for my bed not being made. Like, dude, I have a good sense of humor, so I think that's hilarious. So yeah, definitely, like, obviously if people are being dicks to me in the comments, like that's not my favorite thing to see, but when I see stuff like that, oh my god, that has me on my ass. Like, it's hilarious. So that's awesome, Mike. And also that did it also say, hold on, been here since 200 subs. Mike asks, wow, awesome. That's sick, Mike. You're one of the OGs. I think that's back when I was doing videos on like a little bit of everything, when I was still trying to figure out what I was gonna make this channel on. I started making it on XRP, and you guys just like flooded in. I was just like, all right, we are locked and loaded on XRP content. Yeah, that's pretty sick. $1.27 incoming. Yes, sir. We do look like we're pushing towards $1.27. Yep. Next time this thing really starts ripping, we'll make sure we go live when it's ripping. I wanted to get this one out of the way first, though, because, like, you know, you don't want to have XRP ripping and, like, I'm just, like, don't know how to go live yet. So now I know how to go live. I know how to figure it out. It actually was really easy, so that's cool. What's your price prediction? I don't focus on the next couple days. Anything could happen. So I don't do too much stuff on the next couple of days. I think like I want it to pump. I want XRP to have a massive fucking green candle and to melt some faces. Where that goes, I don't know, but I want to see a massive ripper. Let's see what else we got. When you think it's gonna rip this week, I hope so. It looks like it's gonna. But yeah, unfortunately I can't predict the future. Wouldn't that be sick, guys? If I was just like some random fucking like guy from the future you guys found on YouTube, and I just like knew exactly what was gonna happen, but just this entire time just like pretended like I didn't know. Like, no big deal, guys. But we'll be at $30 next week. Buy as much as you can. No, but yeah, you never really know. Maybe I'm Mr. Pool. Get 5x coins. The world reserve currency. Yes, sir. I don't actually believe it's going to be the world reserve currency, but I think it could be the world bridge currency pretty easily. Yeah. It just doesn't really make the world reserve currency. I think is going to end up being a basket of different currencies. So it could be in there. I just don't think we're moving to a world with only one world reserve currency. But that's like a whole different kind of talk. We definitely keep up the good work. You're helping a lot of people. Awesome. That's what I mean. That's what I'm here to do. You know what I'm saying? It's all about helping people. That's really what this channel is made for. And because like this stuff's complicated. Like I'm not gonna say Rick and Morty. Yeah, I love Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. That is a dope show. Actually, let me see if I can. My mom actually. It's so funny you say that. My mom went on vacation this week, and just like dropped these off for me. They're these little freaking Rick and Morty pins, which I thought was pretty hilarious. She doesn't even know what Rick and Morty is. She just like saw them and she's like, "Oh, I thought of you when I saw these." And I was like, "I didn't even know you knew what Rick and Morty were." But I thought that was kind of funny. Got it. 127. Did we? Oh, we're so close. Come on, let's get it. 0.002 cents away. Oh, now that I look at it, did we hit it? Did I miss it? Probably. We'll definitely wake up to something sick. Hopefully. What do you think, Ripple Swell? I'm not sure. Design. Did you figure? I found your channel from HBAR search. Oh, interesting, Mike. Yeah, Mike. I do want to do more HBAR content in the future. I will do actually, Mike, just for you. We'll rip an HBAR chart real quick, just because you're an OG on this channel. And dude, no, I don't want a stock of HBAR. Like, what does that even mean? Oh God, I swear HBAR has the worst charts on what is it? Wherever we are, trading view. Oh my God, can I really not? Okay, yeah. So this was like an old experiment I was doing on some HBAR charts, but HBAR is super interesting in the formation it's on right now. We definitely have some kind of crazy triangle being built here. It looks like a massive bull flag in my opinion, and we've been accumulating now on HBAR for like, what is it, 252 days straight. This thing is going to melt some faces when it goes up. And the other thing we need to consider with HBAR is it actually started on the exchange at like 40 cents and fell down. So you're still getting like initial level HBAR early access prices like right now. And like we haven't even, like we went parabolic here on HBAR, but we still have a lot more room to go HBAR. I just want to say the only reason I don't even I don't like do a whole bunch of HBAR content as much as I do XRP. It's just because like right now the news cycle is like insane for XRP. Like every single day I look and there's more XRP news. Like, and we have like this crazy pattern I noticed playing out. Like I'll do some more HBAR videos because I know a lot of people like seeing HBAR. But yeah, XRP is just so easy for me to talk about. But I do love HBAR, so that's cool that you found this channel from HBAR. Do you think the rollout of wrapped XRP will move the price? That's actually a great question. It's the questions on the wrapped XRP. I think it could actually have an effect by just locking up some XRP. I think it will have an effect on the price because you see a lot of coins that have essentially used in DeFi and smart contracts. They do have they tend to have price charts that show that there's a lot of demand for the token. But I don't know how much that will do. So yeah, we'll have to see. But I do think it will help. It's definitely not a bad thing. More utility is always good. Isn't there something next week happening in regards to HBAR? I don't know. I'll have to look into it. When do I get my stamp in here since you Eric Robert. I don't have any stamp, but we'll have to figure something out for the OGs. Yeah, we'll look into that. What time is Ripple Swell? It's the 9th and the 10th. So yeah, Ripple Swell is close. I don't know exactly what time during the day it is. I tried to get access to it and I got denied. Apparently, being a crypto YouTube influencer isn't enough to get you to Ripple Swell, but that's all right. We'll find footage of it and I'll break it down for you guys. Great chart. Alrighty, guys. Can anyone see my comments? Yes. I have work tomorrow, unfortunately. So I'm gonna end this live stream. Guys, thank you so much for coming to the first annual Mickle live stream. You guys fucking killed it. It was so dope talking to all of you. And Eric, you fucking nailed it. For now, Mickle out.